So I want to make a quick video showing you how to create retargeting audiences in Google Ads for specific pages. What that means is you would have the ability to filter for people who visited specific pages on the website, like the pricing page or the sales contact page or the book a demo page, so that you can isolate for higher intent audiences or segment your campaigns for people who are interested in a specific service, like an integration for HubSpot if you offer integration services for multiple different platforms. To create a retargeting audience, you go to Tools, Shared Library, Audience Manager. You'll see a tab that says Your Data Segments. Click the plus sign, Website Visitors. And from here, you can give your audience a name. In this case, we'll just make a dummy audience. So we'll say Website Visitors dash. This is the naming sequence that I like to use so that I know how the audiences are formulated. 30 days, that'll be the amount of time that our audience will look back in order to poll users. 30 days. And why don't we say contact us page? Actually, change my mind here. Contact us page visitors. 30 days. You want to put today's date because today's date will be the day in which this audience starts building on itself and accumulating members. You can pre-fill the segment with data from the last 30 days, but if you set your audience to look back further than 30 days, for instance, a 60-day audience, your audience would be building members past that 30-day threshold for every day after today's date. So tomorrow you'd have 31 days website visitors. The next day you'd have 32. The next day you'd have 33, and so on until you hit that 60-day mark, in which case it would be 60-day visitors for the last X amount of time. Super important to add the date to your audience name so that you can keep track of when your segment started accumulating members. And then I like to just put a little acronym that signifies our agency so that we know which audiences we made. And people after us do as well. So we've got website visitors in the last 30 days. Then we click that refine action button. And this is a hypothetical link. You'll have to actually go to the website in fact, we can actually make this based on our website. If you go to entertainmarketing.com, click Let's Chat, we've got a free strategy called URL. So we're just going to take the URL string, go back to the audience setup, and then page URL contains the end of the string. You want to make sure that you do not add any of the backslashes, just in case there are variations of those URLs in your campaigns that are missing them. If you had a URL that was missing them and your trigger had the backslash at the end of the URL, you would not poll users that clicked on that ads. You just want to make your filters as flexible as possible. Add the filter, pre-fill last 30 days. You can add a description if you want. I never do. And then you just click create segment. Easy as that. A couple of best practices. I usually create multiple variations of the audiences that I'm building. These will be variations for different pages. Sometimes your clients will have multiple calls to action, like free trial, contact us, and a demo. CTA, so you want to make sure that you're capturing leads that visit all of these different pages. Another common one is pricing. On top of that, for each page variation, you want to create variations that look back different amounts of time. So that's 7 days, 15 days, 30 days. I usually do 60 days, 90 days, 180 days, and 365. So that takes a while, but super important that you do this early on because it allows you to really create well-defined retargeting campaigns and also create bid adjustments based on membership within these different groups. All right. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Otherwise, have fun making a million audiences.